In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Calendly meeting location. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the process of updating your meeting location on Calendly, which is a great tool for scheduling meetings without the endless back-and-forth emails. Whether you're arranging a phone call, an in-person meeting, or a Zoom call, it's super simple to customize where you want to meet. First, the very first step is to open Calendly. You can do this by navigating to the website on your browser. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Remember, you need to have an active account with Calendly to access your events. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming events. Your events might be displayed in different formats, but essentially, we're looking for the specific event that you want to update. Take a moment to locate the event in question. It could be a quick meeting, a consultation, or a coffee catch-up you scheduled with someone. Just whatever it is, click on that event to open it up. Now that you have the event details displayed on your screen, it's time to focus on the meeting location. Calendly supports a variety of locations. You might see options for different meeting types, like a phone call, an in-person meeting, or Zoom video calls. Now, let's say you've decided you need to change where your meeting will take place. Perhaps you want to switch from an in-person meeting to a Zoom call, or maybe you want to specify a particular location for a face-to-face meeting. To do this, look for the location settings within the event details. You might see a drop-down menu or an editable field. If you want to choose one of the standard options, just click on the drop-down and select your preferred meeting type. But if you'd like to specify a custom location, that's even easier. Simply type in the exact address or location where you want to meet. For example, if you want to meet at a coffee shop or an office address, just type that in. Once you've entered the new location or selected your updated meeting type, it's imperative to save those changes. To do this, look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top of the event details. Don't forget to click that button. It's a crucial step that ensures all your hard work in updating the meeting location is not lost. After saving your changes, you might want to double-check everything to ensure that the location is updated correctly. It's always a good idea to review what you've done just to make sure the information being sent out to your guests is accurate. This will help avoid any confusion later on. Now you're all set. You've successfully updated your Calendly meeting location. Depending on your settings, your invitees will receive an updated notification about the location change, whether that's through email or through the Calendly app. It's as straightforward as that. So remember, whenever you need to change up your meeting location, just log into your Calendly account, find your event, update the location, and save your changes. Easy, right? Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and that you feel more confident navigating Calendly to manage your meetings. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!